Removing the rear lights on the Volvo XC90. Remove the boot floor by lifting this panel. You'd normally have a little cord here to lift the floor out of place. Now lift this piece out here and remove this cover. And now you've got these 10mm pegs to remove. Pull the assembly back away from the car. And if you're only changing the bulbs, you're okay at this point. But if you are removing the assembly completely, then pull this grommet out here, which will pull the connector through. And then, because the wiring goes to the fog light, you'll need to remove this piece of trim here. So I have the fitting completely removed for a different reason. You don't need to do this, you just can access the bulbs here. Now, above each of the connectors, you've actually got written what bulb the fitting takes. So for the stop and tail, we've got a P21/4W. Just twist to remove and push and twist anti-clockwise to remove the bulb. Now each one of these connectors has a protrusion in a different place, which means that you can't put this in the wrong bulb hole. So for the indicator, we've got a PY21W. For the reverse light, we've got a P21W, and same again for the brake light. All exactly the same way to remove them. To change the fog light bulb, insert a tool at this side and pull the fitting out of place. Twist anti-clockwise and you've got a H21W bulb. I hope this video has helped. If you could take the time to like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And thanks for watching.